Hello, let's see some basic syntaxes in R programming. Suppose if we have the command like sum of 1 is to 5, it means it will sum the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if I run this, I get the result as 15. And suppose if you give question mark mean, this question mark stands for a help to invoking the help menu. Suppose if I want to see the help menu for the command mean, if I run this, I can see that. See, on the right hand side here we are able to see the help menu for arithmetic mean. Similarly, we can see for plus operator, all the arithmetic operators are listed. Then we can see for any command for if statement. So all the control flow statements are shown here. And if I give two question marks and a phrase, it will check all the help menu for this phrase, that is the plotting phrase. So if I run this, I can get the help. Suppose if you have a red button here, it means that it is running. So now it has searched the result. It has taken all the links that is having the word plotting. Similarly, if I have double question mark for regression model, it is going to take me all the help that is having the phrase regression model. Here you can see this. This question mark can also be replaced with the command help. So help within bracket and quotes mean, so we'll invoke the help menu of the mean. Similarly, help plus help if help. Suppose if you have help dot search and a phrase within the bracket like help dot search within bracket plotting. So if I run this, it will select all the search results that are matching the phrase plotting. So there's a difference between help and help dot search. Help is equivalent to question mark and help dot search is equivalent to double question mark. So now let's see how to assign values in our programming. Suppose if I have a statement like this, x arrow 1 is to 3. So then it will store 1, 2, 3 to the variable x. So we can run this and see. So now x, to print x, I am going to just type x and then run. So it is printing 1, 2 and 3. So now if we go to the next statement, this assignment can also be done using the arrow mark or using the equal operator. So if I have y equal to 4 is to 6, so it is going to assign 4, 5 and 6, the values 4, 5 and 6 to the variable y. So if I run this, I get the variable y. To print y, I just type y and press enter. So you have 4, 5 and 6. Suppose if you have x plus 3 star y minus 2. So this will be calculated, that is x is an array having 1, 2 and 3, y is the array having 4, 5 and 6. Now we are having x plus 3 star y minus 2. So it will do the operations on these two arrays 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then it will display 11, 15 and 19. Similar to that, similar to assigning using arrow mark as well as using equal to operator, we can use the syntax assign. Within the bracket you can assign. So suppose if I say assign within bracket f comma 3 star 8, then 3 into 8, 24 will be assigned to the variable f. So let's see this. I'm running this. Now f, I'm going to print the value of f. So I'm going to print the value of f. So it prints 24. So similarly, assign can be used to assign using the global environment. It means the variable g is a global variable. So now you can type g and see the value, which is 54. So you can type the variable to get the value, or you can use print of the variable. So that will print or display the value of the variable. So now if I say L equal to, or assigning sum of 4 is to 8, it means 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are summed up and assigned to L. So if I print L here, it gives 30. Suppose if I give bracket M assigned sum of 5 is to 9. So then it will print M automatically. No need to print it separately. The value of M is printed automatically, which is 35. So now you can print the sequences 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 along with the sequence 12, 13, 14, 15 and 17. So this will give the result of the sequence. If the sequence are having the equal number of elements, it will automatically corresponding elements will be added up. Similarly, we can use the sequence using the syntax C within bracket 31867. This one is meant as a vector. This is called as a vector. It is having an array of 31867. Then that is placed, that is added with the another vector which is having the array, another array which is having 92571. So if you run this, it will give the answer of adding the two arrays. Similarly, sum we know. So next is the mean syntax. So mean is nothing but sum divided by the number of elements. Suppose if you have 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 4 elements. So it will add 7, 8, 9 and 10 and divide by 4. So the value is 8.5 is the mean. And similarly, you can have the array minus 2. It means it will subtract 2 from each element of the array. Okay, so this is subtraction of two arrays 5619 and 4207. So it is going to give the subtraction of the array. Then you can multiply the arrays like this. That is from -1 to 4 and -2 to 3. We are going to multiply these two arrays. So it is displaying the result. So next we have the syntax identical. So this syntax, if I have 2 power 3, so the caret symbol is equivalent to double star symbol. 2 power 3 can be denoted using 2 caret symbol 3 and 2 double star 3. So both are same. If I have this identical, it will return the value true. That is, it is meaning both the values are true. So now if I have the array 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 2. So what does this dividing operator do? So if I divide this by 2, it will have 5 by 2, that is 2.5, 6 by 2, that is 3.0, 7 by 2, that is 3.5, 8 by 2, that is 4.0, 9 by 2, that is 4.5. So it is including the decimal points. Suppose if you want only the quotient of the division, then you can use this symbol, that is %/%. So this will give you only the quotient. Suppose if you want only the remainder when you divide, you can just use double percentage symbol. So it will give only the remainder. So suppose if I am equating an array of numbers 2 equal to double equal to 2. So this double equal to will check whether it is true or false. So it is going to check the first element whether 2 is equal to true. If it is 2, so if it is equal to 2, it is give true, and otherwise it will give false. For the second element, it is going to give you false. For the second element is 4 minus 2, so it is again going to give you true, and the third element is 1 plus 1, again it is equal to 2, so it is going to give you true. So it is going to give you 3 true values. So you can see the 3 true values. So next is we are checking whether 1 is to 5 is equal to, or whether it is not equal to 5 is to 1. So it is going to check each corresponding element. It is going to check 1 and 5 and going to return false. It is going to check 2 and 4. It is going to return false. It is going to check 3 and 3 again. It is going to return true. Then again it will check for 4 and 2. It is going to return false. And it will check 5 and 1. It is going to return false. So you can see true, true, false, true, true. So it is not equal to. So it will give the reverse of the one which I told you. So next is 1 is to 10, the array of 1 to 10 to the power of 2. So we are going to square 1 to 10 numbers, and we are going to see whether it is greater than or equal to 50. So what is the result? So it is going to give 1 square is not greater than or equal to 50, false. 2 square not greater than or equal to false. 3 square, 4 square, etc. And 8 square is greater than or equal to 50. It's true. 9 square greater than or equal to 50. True. 10 square greater than or equal to 50. True. So now we have seen some basic syntaxes in our programming. So I think it will be useful for you.